Sa piling mo'y natagpuan ko ang ligaya. Dahil sa'yo ang buhay ko ay sumaya. Iaalay ko sa iyo ang abang pusong ito habang buhay kitang mamahalin. Asahan mong pag-ibig ko'y hindi magbabago. Nag-iisa ang ngalan mo sa puso ko. Iyan ay tanda ng tunay na pag-ibig ko sa iyo habang buhay kitang mamahalin. Iyan ay tanda ng tunay na pag-ibig ko sa iyo habang buhay kitang mamahalin. Habang buhay kitang mamahalin.
Los Baños, Laguna, a place most people know as the Nature and Science City. Hot springs, the University of the Philippines, and the majestic Mount Makiling often steal the spotlight. But behind all that lies a hidden piece of history that not many people talk about. The Immaculate Parish Church. This is the Immaculate Parish Church. Unlike the famous tourist attractions around Laguna, this church isn't well known, partly because of the lack of promotion, especially in local tourism. But as I walked through its doors, I realized this is a treasure that deserves more attention. The structure itself has stood the test of time. Though quiet and unassuming, it has been well preserved through the years. Every corner reflects not just faith, but also the collective effort of people who value heritage and tradition. Honestly, even though I've been living in Los Baños for so long, I didn't know that a place like this exists. This activity gave me the chance to see beyond the usual places we know. It made me appreciate not just our history, but also the people who continue to preserve it. Without their quiet dedication, we might lose this part of our identity. Inside, there's a calmness, something you don't always get in the busy streets outside. It's a place that connects the present with the past, reminding us of where our community came from. Los Baños may be known for science and nature, but hidden with it are stories of faith, resilience, and heritage. The Immaculate Parish Church is proof that history doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers, quietly waiting for us to listen.
Dahil sa'yo, ang buhay ko ay sumaya.
This visit opened my eyes to a different side of Los Baños. It's a reminder that there is always more to discover, even in the place we call home. The Immaculate Parish Church may not be widely known, but for me, it will always be one of Los Baños' hidden gems.
At tinangay ka na ng hangin, papalayo sa akin. Wala nang iisipin, kahibangan ko'y natapos din. Nasanay na kong magulo ang mundo, nasanay na kong malayo sa'yo. Wala na kahit pa maganda mong alaalang nakakapit. Aalisin ko na rin ang larawan mong nakasabit. At tinangay na rin ng usok, naglaho na at may tuldok. Di na makakapasok, tapos na ako sa pagsubok. Alam ko nang may tama ang mali, alam ko nang ang sobra'y may sukli. Dahil lang isang katulad mo'y liwanag na marikit, at ako ang gamo-gamo na sa iyo'y napalapit. Akala ko'y langit, bakit ang init? Lagi na lang nag-aakala, dahil sa pagtitiwala. Akala ko'y langit, bakit ang init? Di man daw ang pagsisisi, may umaga naman pagtapos ng gabi. Alam ko nang may tama ang mali, alam ko nang ang sobra'y may sukli. Dahil lang isang katulad mo'y liwanag na marikit, at ako ang gamo